too high. Could you push your chair forward for me? Push it back and then just...
There's a picture.
Take it over.
The road.
You see the long road and the red house? Just look right at the red house, okay? Try to stay really still for me. Oh, don't move. Yeah, it's gonna get blurry and then focus. But just keep looking at the red house. Don't move your head.
Look at the red house. What's this there?
Just look at the red house.
The red house.
Cái này nhìn rõ hơn, rõ hơn.
Thấy rõ không? Thấy không? Thấy rõ không? Thấy rõ không? Rõ không?
Ấy luôn.
Thấy không?
Okay, put your chin back. Okay, stay really still, okay? Keep your head still. Don't look around, look right at the house.
Cái này nhìn được.
Oop, don't talk. Almost done.
Huh?
Okay, good, good. What grade are you in?
First.
First? Do you like it or do you miss kindergarten?
I like it.
You like it? What's like your favorite thing that you guys do? You like lunch or do you like math?
Chương trình làm gì
All the
không?
way back.
Làm cái chân gì?
Chương trình làm gì đó?
Thôi.
Good job. What about this one?
Can you see? Can you? Thấy không? Thấy không?
Oh.
Good. What about this one?
Oh. Z.
Good job. This one here?
V.
Nice. And one more. This one?
6.
Good job.
Thấy không? Thấy không?
Too blurry?
Thấy không? Thấy không? Thấy không? Đọc đi con. Cái chữ gì? Chữ gì?
Mắt nó bị cận rồi đó.
Chữ gì? Thấy không?
I'm gonna make it a little bigger. What about this one?
Thấy không?
Thấy không?
Z.
High five. Boom. What about that one?
V.
Any that one?
E.
This one? Too blurry?
Thấy không? Đọc kỹ vậy, đọc kỹ.
Good. That one?
E.
Look right at the screen. Too fuzzy? Good job. Keep going.
B. N. S. Z. N. G. C. B. K. G. N.
Too tiny?
M.
High five! You got it! Good job. Ooh. Yeah, keep it still. Look right at my finger the whole time. Don't move your head.
Đừng mua gì hết.
Look right at my finger.
Mắt nhìn thấy đừng đầu đừng có say.
Look right at my finger the whole time. The glowing finger. Don't move your head. Okay, keep your head still like that. Okay. Look right here the whole time. Don't move your head, just your eyes. Good. Keep looking.
L.
Just look at the finger. You don't have to say anything, okay?
Don't say anything.
Don't move your head. Keep it straight.
Cái đầu đừng có nhúng nhích, đầu đừng có
Look over here.
mắt nhúng nhích thôi, đừng mất mình.
Don't move your head. Look just with your eyes like this. Good. Good job. Good job.
How old is she?
She is 6.
Không phải đem cái này lên nữa.
Open your eyes.
Okay. What letters do you see?